sploosh stuff, is it?
No, it's
aerial.
aerial.
It's like Nyborg MINETT HS. It's nice you've got the two Electroluxes together.
Yeah. Awful.
Oh, is that a Wascator basically?
Yeah. WE55.
No, I love one of those. Yeah. Is that the fastest one they
Yeah, I
do?
know. Yeah.
Is that the fastest one you do?
Yeah.
I think they do a 1500 one.
It's 1453.
Yeah.
Right.
Said to your parents about pick-up time, about the same as, you know, you were dropped off yesterday. So that's up in the bedroom. I think you've put a folding up stand thing in my kitchen. The camera. Is it yours?
Oh, tripod.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll be there about 5:50, he said.
5:50.
Is that right?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Oh, just after I go down there.
Oh, okay.
Oh no, 5:30.
Yeah, is that all in my room then, that tripod I had?
Wow. Suspension like an Asco. Don't say that's Chris. That machine looks all too familiar, of course. Ah, see, Chris has got the same problem as me. His trim's cracked at the mat though. Need a spinner wrench. Yeah! Josh very hurriedly claimed his spot.
I can't remember if it spins or not.
I wouldn't think it
I
would.
just saw it yesterday running.
I've never seen a commercial one spin off of
I've
this.
seen it once.
I think
and
it
can't
does.
Remember.
I
I don't
does.
think it does.
It's a distribute, isn't it?
Somehow I don't.
Hang on,
think
it is distributing, I think. Is it trying to? No.
That's gonna. Wait, does it have a rebalance sensor in this?
Yeah, they will.
Yeah, they will do. Yeah, I didn't think it spun.
It's advancing quite a bit.
Yeah, because it's skipping first reads because it has got.
Yeah. Okay.
Has it got extra? Oh god, I'm knackered.
That's about hope. I don't sleep on the train on the way back.
Oh god.
I hope I don't sleep in the car.
Oh no.
Then again, if I fall asleep on the train, it doesn't matter because it terminates at Waterloo, so
Yeah.
I can always just... Would you say it's better to spin after the wash or not? So,
I would definitely say yes.
yeah. I don't see a difference in what they say creases or anything. I don't see a difference.
No.
No.
I think it's fabric protection more like so because it's shock of fabrics that.
This does a really good higher rinse level.
Yeah. No, I think it is something to do with shock of fabrics, but there you go.
Shame.
I mean, the general rule is if it doesn't spin after the wash, 4 rinses is enough.
Yeah.
If it spins after the wash, 3 rinses is enough.
So the WMs spin off the wash with the 4 rinses.
Do they spin after the wash?
Yeah, well, my
I
one
didn't
does.
think they did.
The WM6 do. Only on cottons though.
WM. Oh.
You're like the Aquarius, yeah.
Yeah. See, I've never actually seen one run, personally.
Yeah, they
I
spin.
know Chris had one, but it was so many years ago.
Mine's meant to be 1100, but I took the regulator off and just made it 1200 now.
Ah. Didn't know you could do that.
Yeah, it's just a little white plug on the circuit board. Just
Ugh.
pull it off and that'll look.
But when you say it's 1100, did it do the 1100 for a few seconds and give up? Or did it do
30 seconds.
30 seconds? Yeah.
Yeah, it does that.
Oh.
30 seconds.
I suppose you do need to make it 1200 then. Not that it's still going to make that much.
There you go, look, there's water levels up to here, look.
Yeah.
Still filling as well.
Sure, on the 1000 models, if you probably do it would.
Yeah.
There we are.
I seem to remember these are really
Oh, wow,
long.
it's still going.
I think these are really long rinses as well somehow.
Can't be longer than Miele's rinses. They're like 10.
They are 10 minutes. Well, no.
Well, no, actually.
Actually, they're. I think they're something like 5 or 6 standard.
Look
But
at that
then when
rinse
you
level.
when you select the.
Water Plus, it's short. The second rinse is like 7 minutes long.
No, it's
Oh, it's short.
something in the something in the settings you can change, and it makes it 10 minutes.
Blame my spots.
I will get the Gerbo out of the shed and take some photos of the shed over before you go. Thank you, Ben.
Yeah.
Go right back.
Here's a choke.
Huh?
Choke.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. It just don't change.
Ryan's jumping for joy.
Yeah, I know.
Hello.
They still make these designs now in modern. They do. Oh, they do.
I can't find one of those necklaces.
These are probably the only modern that you like then.
Those models, is that model there? Because it's 5558.
Do they still sell this too?
Yeah, see?
Yeah, this is pretty much modern then.
I know that.
That's the only modern machine you like then?
Modern commercial.
Yeah. Modern commercial.
Yeah.
Not modern domestic.
Can you get
Blame my spots.
I will get the Gerbo out of the shed and take some photos of the shed over before you go. Thank you, Ben.
Yeah.
Go right back.
Here's a choke.
Huh?
Choke.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. It just don't change.
Ryan's jumping for joy.
Yeah, I know.
Hello.
They still make these designs now in modern. They do. Oh, they do.
I can't find one of those necklaces.
These are probably the only modern that you like then.
Those models, is that model there? Because it's 5558.
Do they still sell this too?
Yeah, see?
Yeah, this is pretty much modern then.
I know that.
That's the only modern machine you like then.
Yeah. Modern commercial.
Yeah. Modern commercial.
Yeah.
Not modern domestic.
Whatever it is.
Oh, Macy's got.
Yeah,
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, about 24 kilos.
yeah, that, yeah.
Yeah,
It doesn't care about balancing, does it?
No.
Apart from just that.
No, it's next to it.
No, it's a
Oh,
burst.
okay.
Yeah, it's a burst.
Is Tim giving up to it?
What's he doing?
He's ripping the graph up.
But he's getting all like, why are you all looking at me?
What happened to a vacuum cleaner?
Yes, be unbalanced.
I feel the suspension moves more on those.
Uh-oh.
doesn't
Isn't that bad? What's a 4-stroke forward?
it? Right.
You realise if he gets too unbalanced, he's going through the floor.
Probably.
Not between me and you, I meant anything. And you're probably going to end up going with it. Because everything will fall into that corner.
Yeah.
Like a sinkhole.
Yeah, it'll literally be a sinkhole. I was watching a documentaries on that the other day. They're actually really scary. What fall into the oblivion.
They're like, what, 100 foot deep, aren't they, someone?
Huge. Some of them are so big that they haven't recorded how deep they are. That's it. See, if this shed floor collapses, you know the film Journey to the Centre of the Earth? That's what it'll be like. Not that I've seen it, but you know.
We'll all just be pulled under it.
Yeah. It'll be that, us, and then all the waters on top.
Yeah.
I agree if we're going to have a gerbil coming down my head then.
Not just that, and that, and that, and that. So you probably get about 600, 700 kilos on your head. Yeah. Pancake.
What?
Pancake.
Your pancakes.
Huh?
Oh, pancakes.
Yeah. Oh, steak. Oh,
Yeah, steak.
that's my favourite food. It really is. That's my favourite food.
Nah.
Damn shit.
Should we go now?
My favourite food is steak.
It's not a bad one.
With what?
Steak.
Steak.
Can I stand Mariah?
Nah. You didn't crop it out. Well, they've ramped right up to 1300 now, is it? Hoover. It's got to be 1300 now.
Take the gerbil out.
The gerbil. Oh, glasses.
No, there's not.
Nothing.
Oh, just
Nothing to grab onto.
grab onto.
That's the only way to get it out.
It's that or use a bomb.
Can you hang my keys up on my keyhole? Go for a do anti-grease.
That's the anti-grease one, yeah?
Do 2 tumbles and it'll go massively clonk.
A massive clonk. Oh yeah, you want to move this, didn't you?
Yeah,
Should we actually move the whole shed?
No.
I did that yesterday.
What, the whole...
I changed it around yesterday.
No, I mean the entire shed. Just
I
get the
moved
whole...
the whole shed, yeah.
Oh dear. Well, if you'd like to be buried by it for the rest of your life.
There we go, all done. Guys, that's the end of our absolutely wonderful day. We're uploading all the videos and we're going to test the Hoover E3060. I'll let you guys know how that goes. If it works, well, we'll know. We'll see a video up. So let's just hope it all goes to plan. So big thank you to Chris, not just for the washing, but for fixing that motor for me. Anything else, you got problems I can fix on that machine. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to keep it supreme and